Hi guys, welcome to the question number 5 for Power Query. So guys, essentially this is a Power BI interview playlist. So today I'll be covering a question that is frequently asked and it really tells you how a person thinks and stuff. So it's a simple problem. We have been dealing with this table where we have user ID, age, annual income, purchase amount, loyalty score, region, and what is the purchase frequency. And now there is a new table that has come up, that is region and manager. Now the first thing the person or the interviewer will ask you, hey, can you join them these two tables in Power Query? So what you need to do is you need to tell him that yes sir, I'll be using merge queries, I'll be clicking this, and then I'll be selecting my manager table, I'll be selecting region, and I'll be using a left outer join. It's written also all from first matching from second, and then I'm going to click on OK, and then I'm going to click on this expand, so that I'll have both the columns. And then essentially what I can do is I can simply just maybe chop this column off, I don't need it, and I can rename this column as well. Rename, where is rename? Yeah, there's an option for rename. Okay, sorry, my mouse has stopped working. Rename manager, I think that's good, right? So you've done this question over here, and then he's like, okay, is this the way you're gonna do it in a real world also? No. So what you're gonna do is tell him, sir, what I'll do is I'm gonna delete all these things. He just wanted to check that do you understand stuff. You'll just click on close and apply, and what you will do is you will tell him, sir, I'll go to Power BI. Okay, the mouse is having some issues. Now I think it'll work fine. You'll go to Power BI, go to the model view, and you will tell, sir, what I'll do is, since it is a dim table and this is a fact table, I'll join both of them. So guys, you understand, right, why I have joined this? Because as I said, I need to create a star schema. What is a star schema? In a star schema, all dim tables are here, and then you have a single or many fact tables, and dim tables get joined to fact table with one to many relationship. What is one to many? One to many means there here or region is unique and here region is many times. And then he'll ask you what is the advantage of using this. Tell him, sir, see, the idea is that we are using Power BI, and Power BI has provided us a data modeling layer, so we need to model the data in a way that it's in star schema, so that the efficiency of the report increases, the loading time the loading time decreases, the refresh time decreases, visuals pop up fast, it's better optimized. There are a lot of DAX functions as well which support this sort of stuff. So that is why, sir, I'm using it. And then let's say you want to show him that what is the manager. Okay, what is the manager wise purchase amount? You can just drag and drop and show him. You were able to get it because you have a thing over here. You can add a column here as well, right? I showed you in Power Query as well, and I showed you there as well, right? But guys, see, you need to, if you're following me, we'll always go with the best practices. Best practices is doing here. But because sometimes recruiters and everything ask some questions regarding to Power Query, so that is why, guys, I'm covering it. Okay. And yeah, I think this is it. Even some people might say, if they are want to really check your level of understanding, they'll be like, okay, can you add the column here in the table view? You can say, yes sir, why not? I'll create a new column, I'll name it as manager, I'll use the related DAX function, and then I'll get manager. So what this would do is this would do the same thing. Okay, this would apply the left join via the thing that we have done. Okay, so it's able to do Bob, Henry, Mark. See how we were able to do it with the help of a DAX function as well. So I've shown you three ways. One in Power Query, one the actual and the correct way, and one way is like this way. Not a lot of people use it, but still I wanted to show you that if you want to stack everything in the table view directly using a DAX query only, so you can use it related only. So for this related function to work, your one side of the table should be joined to the many side, and if you want to add an attribute, you can add. I think, guys, you are able to understand. It's simple, right? Related means nothing. It will pop out of this column that you have mentioned, and how it is joining it. It is joining based on the common key region. So I think, guys, these type of questions will be asked, and in case you show him three methods like I showed you, guys, it's an over deal. No one asks any further question. It's they know that you understand things at a depth level, but don't go for all these things. Okay, uh, always try to keep the size of the data model as minimal as possible, and that's pretty much fine. So thank you guys for this video. Stay tuned. Bye. And guys, please subscribe.